Let's talk about how to fix your restricted Alipay account. Number 1, if you enter the wrong password maybe like 5 times, your account may get restricted. Now, this is what you should do. Reach out to Alipay customer service by chatting or calling on phone. Just remember to have your international passport handy in case you are asked for identity verification. Next, number 2, if you receive suspicious money in your account, it could get frozen. So you will have to contact Alipay customer care services to find out why and what to do next. Number 3, if you exceed your Alipay spending limit, your account can get restricted. Now, what you can do is chat or call Alipay customer service to sort it out. Number 4, do your registration transactions early hours of the day. Because while we are busy sleeping, the Chinese are awake and active. This means that the Chinese are 7 to 8 hours ahead of us, so it is advised you do your transactions that early because that's when the system responds best.
This is the Alipay, okay? So how to fix your Alipay, okay? How to fix it if you have restrictions of any kind. So we're going to be talking about some of the restrictions you might have on your Alipay and what you can do about it. Now, if you enter the wrong password, say about 5 times, your account may get restricted. Now, what can you do? You can reach out to Alipay customer service via chat or you call them. But just remember that you need to have your international passport handy in case you are asked for identification. Okay, they might ask you some things on the identification for your identification on your passport. And if you use someone else's passport to verify your account before, and you now have restrictions on the account, you might need to find out all the details that was on that passport so that you'll be able to answer questions when you're asked. Now, the second thing is if you receive suspicious money in your account, it could get frozen. So you have to contact the Alipay customer care to, find out what to do or why that happened and then what you can do next. Another one is if you exceed your Alipay spending limits, your accounts will get restricted. So you want to call Alipay customer service to sort that out. If your Alipay ever gets restricted, do not panic, please. Just reach out to the Alipay customer care and find out what can be done. Now, you want to do your registration transactions early hours of the day. Please take notes. Whatever registration or transaction you are doing, try and be doing them early hours of the day because when we are sleeping, that is when the Chinese are very, very active. They are like 7 or 8 hours ahead of us. Okay? So you want to do your transaction, say like from 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. That is when the system responds best. Now, another thing is you want to use a very clear lens and a very good phone, like a very high quality Samsung phone. Whichever phone you're making use of, just make sure it's a good phone. Okay, make sure you have a very good lighting. If you do not have ring lights, you can use a direct sunlight, okay, for any of your snaps, the snapshots you're taking. And always make sure your documents are clean, right? So with this, your Alipay verification is more likely to be very successful if you follow all of this. Now make sure you have your passport handy because as you're going through this verification, the appeal process, you might be asked specific questions from the passport. So you want to, have it handy so that whenever they ask, you can easily open it and know what you're doing. Now, when chatting with the Alipay customer care, most times by default, you will get a robot-like answers. So you want to tell them that you want to speak with a real person, that is the Alipay customer care representative. Okay? So take note that the identity, you want to identify the person that you used his or her passport. That's if you did not use your own passport. Because some persons that do not have passports, they can use another person's passport. Maybe your husband or your wife or your sister or your friend that is close to you. You can use their passport to do your verification. So you want to have all of the information handy before you can go for the appeal so that you'll be able to have all the information to give when you are asked. Okay, and so when this is done, your account that is restricted might be unrestricted within 24 hours. Okay.